How to like WhatsApp status on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you're just going through a WhatsApp status and you found your favorite WhatsApp status, then you can just hit this like button to like the WhatsApp status, and the status will be updated with your like whenever the person that updated the status checked it. So here I'm going to show you how you can easily get this feature. So the first one to do before you can like WhatsApp status iPhone is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once opened the App Store, click on the search button at the bottom right and search for WhatsApp. Then hang on, open WhatsApp and update the WhatsApp application to the latest release if there is any for you. So in my own case, I have updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Then close the App Store and go ahead, open the WhatsApp app again. Then you can just go ahead and check status on your WhatsApp. Then you should see the like button at the bottom right. You see that? So this like button, you can just click on it to show that you like the status, or unlike it to show that you don't like the status. You see that? So this is only available for the recent WhatsApp update. And if your WhatsApp update does not have this, that shows you don't have the feature yet. So that is basically how to like WhatsApp status on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.